Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Tuesday night. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have a special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. You guys got some time still for your last minute Christmas shopping. You got, what, 21 days until Santa Claus comes down. And we have here, the future starts from here. This is really cool. Alright, took it out of the box to get it all set up. But this is coming from KINGLEV right on Amazon. So, like I said, link's going to be down below. You guys can check them out and see what other goodies they have to offer. And here we go. Alright. We have one of these. Hold on. Put you guys down. Boom. Levitating magnetic skull. It's like one of those moons they got, but this time it's a skull. So this would be good for any Gothic fan out there. Bone Thugs and Harmony fan. Great Halloween decoration for parties and stuff. I'm going to shut the light off because it is a light too. So this is really cool to have in your house. Hold on one sec. Let me do something. There we go. Switch the lights. Lights a little bit better. So, got the instructions. It comes with the base, the power cord, and just a normal plug-in down right there. Got it running all the way up right there. Here we go. Put you guys down. So this is it. Magnetically levitated products. See, it shows a globe, but this is a skull. Hopefully it could do the same. So, see, electromagnetic levitation technology. Oh yeah, the future. Here we go. Alright, we got the base. Oh, lights up. There. Come on, there's a button. There's a button right there. Here's the cord. There it goes. Bada boom. And just gotta tap it. Or maybe it's, I don't know. There it is. We got it going now. Here's the skull. Now it says to hold it right above the marking. There's a little marking in the center. And you gotta hold it like a heart shape. So this should be interesting to do. Hopefully you guys can see it like this. So I guess this is a heart shape. And I can feel it. And it does that. I don't understand. Oh. Here we go. Okay. Whoa. It made noise. Somebody. Ah. Why is it doing that? A little closer. So it says to rotate it. Ooh, look. I'm afraid to let it go though. And it does that. I don't. Alright. Oops. Maybe it needs to be charged. Ah. feel it tugging. Try it one more time. I don't want to be too long of a video, but you guys could get one at a low cost. Maybe one of you guys know a better trick to doing this, but it's supposed to levitate. I'm just having difficulty. I don't understand what's going on here. Like I said, this will be really cool. I can feel it. As soon as I let go, though, that's when it does that. Oh boy. See right here? I gotta lift it up. I'll give it one more try. But, like I said, sorry YouTube. I wish I could figure this out, but it's kinda... This is very interesting. I mean, it definitely would be cool to have one of these, but I just wish I could get it to work. I do pretty good on some of the things that seem difficult, but for some reason, this thing does not like me at all. Now I have nothing else magnetic around, but it just does that. My hands are getting low. Ah, come on. Alright, last time. I can feel it, like, once it, you'll see on the side, once it's like hovering, like right there, it feels like it wants to connect. And it does that. Hey, this is it. Last time, guys. Wish me luck. Ah. Work. Alright, last time. That didn't count. Oh. Almost had it. Ah. Well, let's see. Not sure why. See, that does that. You can just unplug it. It's still And it like jumps to one side though. Wait a minute. So right around here I can feel it. Yep, see? Here, let's try this again. Alright. I think see, now it lights up. Huh. I'm getting somewhere. Watch this. Boom. I got it glowing. Alright. There it goes. I wish you guys could see it, but... Oops. Boom. Alright, one more time. I had it. Whoa. Now this is cool. Yeah, see, oops, I want to shut it off. By mistake. Ooh, scary. Look at it. I can hear it too. It's a little tricky sometimes. You gotta get it at the right spot. Boom. There it goes. Oh, that's crazy. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Their links will be listed down below. We're gonna get one of these at a low cost. Ooh, scary. And YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night and see ya.